guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. Hello if you're new here. Thank you for clicking on today's video, and it's a super exciting one. I can't wait to show you guys. So I'm actually filming on my brand new camera. It's my birthday next month and I got an early birthday gift and I just am so excited about it. So I just wanted to do a bit of an unboxing for you guys. So I got the Canon POWERSHOT vlogging set. This is such an insane gift, like I just can't believe it. And I can't wait to film so many vlogs and just make so much use of it. It comes with a gorillapod, the tripod, and then it came obviously with this. So it is the Canon G7X Mark II camera. I absolutely love it. So I'm gonna insert a few clips to show you guys just a bit more about the camera and you know what it looks like, how I'm using it with my ring light, etc. And then also I'll show you some clips of that I took when I was out today, so you can get like a whole feel of, you know, the quality and, you know, everything about the camera. So I hope you guys enjoy. Please do like and subscribe if you're new, because I'll definitely be posting so many more videos to my channel now. And yeah, I hope you guys are keeping well. I hope you're good, and I will see y'all in my next video. Hi guys, so here is the outside of the box. It's the Canon POWERSHOT vlogger kit, and I have opened it up because I just wanted to see it and try all things out, but I put it back in the box to show you guys how it came. This is what the camera came in, so this is the POWERSHOT box. And then it also came with a gorillapod. So if you don't know what these are a tripod that like bends and flips, and it's so cool. I've always wanted one of these, so it's so good that it comes in the kit as well. So it has this little bit here which your camera just attaches onto. Then obviously it has your battery pack. I'll just open up the box here to show you. So this is what the camera looks like. And I will turn it on. So your lens pops out, and then obviously the screen turns up. This is so hard to do with one hand, but the screen turns up like this and then flips around, and you can film like this with the screen up so you can see yourself. So I will show you guys better images of this, but I just wanted to show you quickly what it looked like in the box. I'm so excited to use it. I just love it so much. So this is what it looks like when you're using the gorillapod tripod. You can also get bigger ones, or you could just use it for vlogging and hold it. So this is just a shot of what it looks like. So I want to show you what I've done to get it attached to my ring light. So I have a floor length ring light, and I've attached it just using the gorillapod. Like, how cool is this? So it bends all the way around. And here's me. And yeah, this is my new filming setup. I'm so excited about it. And yeah, I can get rid of my phone. No more phone filming. And yeah, just wanted to show you guys what it looks like with the ring light.